Is your Canon G2010 printing blank pages even though the ink tanks are full? Here is how to fix it fast. Just run a system cleaning. First, check your ink levels and make sure the tanks contain enough ink. Low ink can cause blank page issues. Next, run a nozzle check from the printer maintenance settings. Missing lines usually indicate clogged printhead nozzles. Perform a standard cleaning first. If the problem continues, run a deep cleaning cycle to clear blocked ink channels. Also verify that the correct Canon G2010 driver is installed and your print settings are configured properly. Print a test page after cleaning. If blank pages continue, the printhead may require manual cleaning or replacement.